Sangeetha Tamil actress arrested in sex racket. The Central Crime Branch, attached to the Chennai police, has busted a high-profile prostitution racket and arrested an actress named Sangeetha, who is popular for her TV serial Vani Rani, which features Radhika Saratkumar. The raids were conducted at a private resort in Chennai. According to the police report, actress Sangeetha runs flesh trade at a private resort at Panayur in Chennai, and a number of young actresses are also indulged in prostitution in the resort. After getting the news about prostitution happening in the resort, the police raided and caught Sangeetha, who was the head of this whole network, and few other actresses. Another person named Suresh is also said to have been arrested along with Sangeetha. Sangeetha is a well-known face for Tamil audiences. The actress has been the part of few television shows like Aval, Chilame Anakodaya Maindhu Pengolam and Sabitha Allies Sabapathi. Not only television show, Sangeetha has also acted in few movies including Karapuroja and Tamil's Vanam Thaniyaranjalam. She has also worked as a character artist in several movies. In Vani Rani, Sangeetha essays the role of Sundari Kaliyappan. It has come out that few women from different states, especially from North India, have been rescued and sent to rehabilitation center in the city. The police produced Sangeetha and Suresh before Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Court, Egmore, and the two were reportedly sent to jail. Few actresses in the film industry can go to any extent for their lavish lifestyle and designer clothes. During their struggle period, few of them make dirty compromises to grab a big role in films, and even when they make a name for themselves in the industry, they have to go through many challenges. When their career takes a back seat, they do indecent things to survive. There have been many actresses in industry who have opted for prostitution in order to survive. This is not the first time that actresses have been arrested on charges of prostitution. Shweta Prasad Basu, Sherlin Chopra, Misty Mukherjee, Yama, Bhuvaneswari, Telugu actress Sarah Banu, Tamil actress Ishan Sari, Divyasri have been arrested for being involved in prostitution racket.